Hello. Hello, hello, hello. We are live. Pinning my comment. It posted. Off to a good start. Welcome. I'm Laura Madden. Welcome to ReFashioned Art. This is my makeshift set today. As promised, on plein air, I'm spending some time in northern Arizona, in the mountains of northern Arizona. They're behind me and in front of me and right there. So unfortunately you cannot see them, but the sun it's shifting at warp speed, it seems. So I had to move around. Hello, Irvin. Thanks for joining. What do you think of my look? So this is all vintage, guys, all from my finds shopping, traipsing around northern Arizona and all these amazing charity shops and antique stores and vintage stores. I was gonna go a little bit more like Halloween. As promised, I would be in some sort of costume, cocktail attire, but I thought I'm actually gonna go like scale it back a little bit and just go with my style, because yes, I actually would wear this. I actually would. A little bit more like vintage Chanel look. Hat, love it. This baby is old. This might be like considered antique. It is old. Hello, Samantha. How are you? Peter. Hey guys, thanks so much for joining. So the link is in the bio. Today we're going to see my newest work, and of course, because we are live, I'm doing a show, exclusive show pricing, and so these prices will be good for 24 hours. The link is in the bio if you'd like to shop direct. And here we go. Voila, my 3 newest pieces, which were created from my inspiration spending time here in the mountains of northern Arizona. And you know, here in comparison to the desert where I spend most of my time, we actually get fall, and it's really beautiful. And gosh, I've been posting a whole bunch of pictures because I can't stop posting pictures and taking pictures of it. But you know, it's even like the smell, it's so invigorating. It's like alive. I wish I could photograph the smell, but I can't. So I'm going to show you exactly what has inspired my work, and it's these fall colors. Also, we've already had some snow here, so one of my pieces here, you can see this one is a little bit more inspired by winter. And I will just say, I'm gonna be going quick. So I apologize if it seems like I'm rushing. I'm not, but I am. We've had some gusts, and I've had to reset a few times now. So, and I'm feeling it picking up already as well. So I'm gonna make this short and sweet, guys. 3 pieces. Also, wanna just remind you guys, these prices will go back to normal after 24 hours. So our first one here we have, I'm just going to move in a little bit closer. Hopefully this is going to be okay to see. I know the lighting is not ideal because I don't have any. So this one here, guys, is l'hiver, and that is French for winter. This one was inspired by winter, which I know is coming soon because we will get a winter here for sure in northern Arizona. Like I said, we already got snow. So this one here, love, 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 l'hiver. And again, if you want the dimensions, the exact, all that stuff, this one is mixed media. I do actually have some fabric scraps on this one as well, which I love so much. So if you want to get the details on the dimensions and all that, I will be sharing that in my stories later. But if you don't want to wait for that, you can go to the link in my bio, and it has, you know, all the details about it. So this one here, guys, l'hiver, this is the smallest, and this one is $4.50 today, special show pricing. This one here, guys, I have posted quite a bit of photos of this. This one here is automne. Automne is French for autumn. Yes, I'm feeling the French vibes, not just in my look, but I don't know what it is. This town where we're at actually has a bit of a European feel. And so, and I just keep finding these things that look like maybe I would have found them possibly at the Paris flea market or something, like all of these antique, you know, jewels and, you know, the hat and these beautiful vintage and antique frames. I mean, they really look otherworldly or from another land, and definitely from another time. But this one here, automne. And again, I will be posting those detailed pictures in my stories. Again, there are detailed photos already in my stories, but and on that webpage, again, link in bio, you can see a close-up shot, a real photo of this painting. This one here is $6.50 today, automne. And that one for sure is inspired by the fall, these beautiful fall colors, the fall smells, the fall crisp air. And then this one here, the last one, I love this one so much. This is Stargazer 2. And this one, it's just a little bit bigger than l'hiver. And this one here, again, vintage frame. And I love this mix of old and new, the vintage frame, modern, abstract, more or less minimal art. Stargazer 2, and this was actually modeled after, there is a original Stargazer that's hanging in my home, and that one is not for sale, but Stargazer 2 is. So Stargazer 2, beautiful. This one here is $550. So again, Stargazer 2, $550. Automne, $650. L'hiver, $450. And again, guys, I mean, this here for sure is an antique frame. That is very old. This one, you know, it's hard to tell if it's antique or vintage, but it's definitely at least 30 years old, at least. You can just tell by the sheen of the gold in the paint, and also the mixing of the gold. It's a little bit darker and more orange gold on top, a little bit more yellow, lighter gold here in the middle. And then again, Stargazer for sure, this is a vintage frame. And so also, guys, because these are, they do have some years on them, I just want to be clear that they are well loved. There is some wear, you know, and this one here, there are some chips in the gold, and I'm just gonna actually show you this. But if you are interested in any of these pieces, of course, we can always do a FaceTime or a video chat. I can send you a video. Don't worry, you don't have to be on the video, but I can send you those detailed shots and those detailed videos of these pieces if, you know, you're like, I don't know how much wear I really want. Maybe I want something that's newer, then not a problem. Let me know and I can send those to you. So again, guys, link is in the bio, and I just want to let you know I'm gonna be sharing probably some holiday promos. Holidays, they're impending holidays, they are upon us already. I know some people who are already doing their Black Friday sales. I will be doing my Black Friday sale early this year, of course, just because of shipping reasons. So stay on the lookout, guys, for that. But get on my email list, because that's where I share the latest stuff. I do share special promos. If you're on my email list, you know I sent the link to pre-shop these pieces 24 hours before the sale. So get on that email list so you can get all those promos first. Link is in the bio for that as well. And what else can I tell you? Yeah, just stay abreast, some fun new things. Oh, last thing I'm going to show you. Oops, I don't want to, yikes. Gift idea, guys, gift idea coasters. This is Love the Journey. This is on shop.IamLauraMadden.com. This one is Love, L-A-U-V, shop.IamLauraMadden.com. If you're interested in either of these, and by the way, every print on shop.IamLauraMadden.com. Oh goodness, well, see, I knew that was bound to happen, and it's not even that windy. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Every print on shop.IamLauraMadden.com does come available in a coaster, in a mug, in a tote bag, a whole bunch of fun things. Now we have ornaments, we even have calendars, which, you know, I'm a big fan of those calendars. Greeting cards, you know, I'm so old-fashioned. I love sending, you know, personalized notes. And if you purchase from me, you know I love sending personalized notes because you got one from me. And let me see, what was the latest thing? Oh, the yoga mats. That's kind of like the new. Oh, okay. Well, I think it's officially time. Real life. Real life in the elements. All right, guys. Well, everything is safe. That's the good news. But I told you there's that chop in the air, and that was a gust. That was a gust. But hey, it's real life, and that's why I love live so much, because it's, you know, there's no editing. What happens, happens. What you say, and however you look, you look. So guys, shop that link in bio. If there's anything else I can help you with, picking out a gift, then please, please, please don't hesitate. DM me. I'm here to help, and definitely love taking your orders, and here to help you with your gifting needs this year, especially because gifting art is like the most personal thing you can do. It's more of an experience than just giving a thing that's gonna sit, you know, on a shelf or in a drawer. So I want to encourage you to give art this year, guys. I also have my whole inventory of originals, IamLauraMadden.com /art, and that's 95% updated. There are some new pieces, and I actually think I'm hearing a snake. So, all right, guys, I will see you soon. This will be going in my feed, so please comment. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what your favorite piece was. And lastly, if you're in Arizona, Camelback Studio Tour, ReFashioned Art will be exhibiting, and I'm going to send all those details through my email list, guys. So yeah, there's definitely some type of wildlife back there. I'll be sending all those details for address and all that good stuff through my email list. So get on my email list. Link is in the bio. But if you're in Arizona, I hope to see you live. I will have my collection of original art all there. And so it's going to be a fabulous time. That's November 13th and 14th, just 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks away. All right, guys, thank you for joining. It is windy. Yes, I know. I just lost my set. Thank you. All right. Bye, guys. Thanks for joining me. So happy to spend this time with you.